Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Nissan Altima SL, stock number E1733P. 63,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Storm blue metallic in color. The Altima is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. And safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the strap on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SL has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in a perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen for radio, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. And heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Altima has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Altima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.